There are many gas burner products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best gas burners from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. ARC 200 Stove. Rating 4.6. The ARC's 4242 propane burner is made with cast iron and has a 200,000 BTU high heat output suitable for different cooking needs. 4242's heavy-duty outdoor propane burner for large pot 30 to 100 QT is constructed with an all-welded metal frame. With compact size 16.5 liters 16.5 watts 16.5 H special ventilation design allows the burner burn completely for clean blue flame, improving cooking efficiency. Included the 20 size CSA certificate regulator, 47-inch steel braided hose, spanner, hook, and connector for your convenience. The thickened base and heightened windscreen protect the burner's flame from strong breeze, is ideal for outdoor cooking. Number 4. Gas 1B Stove. Rating 4.7. The high-pressure heavy-duty burner was made with three things in mind: a stable and extremely sturdy frame, a powerful heat source, and an easily accessible, easily portable low-profile design. The B5350's frame, as well as its cast iron burner head, was created to last long and withstand consistent usage. High-temperature paint. Unlike most competitors, the heavy-duty burner comes with high-temperature resistant paint that rids of the common problem of peeling frames and the smell of paint burning fumes that so many burners face when first used. Number 3. Dr. Penguin Stove. Rating 4.8. Elevate your outdoor cooking experience with unparalleled versatility. This camping stove is designed to be your reliable companion on any adventure. Lightweight and portable, it effortlessly fits into your backpack, making it the ideal choice for hikers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Built to withstand the ruggedness of the outdoors, the Dr. camping stove is crafted with durability in mind. The robust construction ensures longevity, while the easy-to-clean feature simplifies post-meal maintenance. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying the beauty of nature. Experience the fusion of science and design in our camping stove. Meticulously crafted for optimal performance, it guarantees stability even in challenging terrains. Campsite cooking has never been this precise and reliable. Number 2. Propane Camping Stove. Rating 4.9. Heat is controlled by a CSA regulator, which is safer and longer working time. Wind guard prevent the flame from being extinguished by wind. The ARC's 4343s with 10-inch cast iron burner, 47-inch steel braided hose with connector 0 to 20 psi adjustable pressure regulating valves. Adjustable legs comfort cooking for people of different heights. Available heights are 20 and 28. Just connect the tank, open the main valve, hold a long match next to the burner, turn the control valve, and tweak the vent cover if the flame is too yellow. This gas burner is made from heavy-duty cast iron, which can support all kinds of cooking. Great for camping, RVs, tailgating, and backyard parties. Number 1. Burner Butane Stove. Rating 5.0. Gas-powered camping butane burner with a perforated ring design produces a powerful 10,000 BTUs, boiling 1 lb water in just 1 minute. Save time and fuel with our high-efficiency single-burner butane stove. Perfect for outdoor use such as camping, hiking, RV, and more. This butane single burner is equipped with cartridge ejection, a safety lock, and an overpressure shut-off function to guarantee safe operations during cooking or boiling. These safety features are in place to ensure secure use and prevent accidents. This camp stove features advanced self-ignition technology to ensure easy ignition without hassle. Of course, our camp butane stove has been extensively tested with hundreds of thousands. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.